What's going on, y'all? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making shrimp Creole. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need shrimp, yellow onion, green bell pepper, celery, parsley, garlic, butter, diced tomatoes, tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce, hot sauce, shrimp and crab barrel, Creole seasoning, black pepper, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, bay leaves, and shrimp stock. We're using homemade shrimp stock, but you can also use seafood stock. Begin by dicing a half a yellow onion. Dice a green bell pepper. Dice 3 stalks of celery. Dice 4 stalks of green onion. Mince 5 cloves of garlic. Chop up some parsley. In a Dutch oven, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add the trinity of celery, onion, and bell pepper. Sauté for 5 minutes. Add minced garlic. Add 3 ounces of tomato paste. Add a can of diced tomatoes. Add 2 cups of shrimp stock or seafood stock. Add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Add a half tablespoon of hot sauce. Add a half cup of shrimp and crab barrel. Add parsley. Season with Creole seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Add 2 bay leaves. Bring to a boil, reduce to a simmer, cover and cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, cut the heat, add the shrimp, cover and allow the shrimp to cook for 5 minutes. Remove the bay leaves. And there you have it, shrimp Creole. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.